Okay guys, so we have another build for you today. I'm sorry if I'm a bit in a weird angle here, but I'm just trying to get everything set up. But yeah, so this build is going to be kind of a mid-range gaming build. We're going to be using an AMD Athlon X4845. We haven't used this one. It's meant to be just as good, if not a tiny little bit over the 860K. And we've used the 860K a lot, as you'll know if you're a follower of the channel. We have an R7 374GB Strix. Great card, I have to say, for the price that we got it at. For our motherboard, we have an Asus A68HM Plus, FM2 Plus. I know it's not an A88X as I wanted, but we're trying to cut as much cost as we can on this system to get it built. We didn't have a big budget, and we already had the case and the graphics card lying around. I think we spent about $250 on the rest of the parts, which doesn't actually seem to be a lot when you consider it, but it comes to a lot in the end. To cool our CPU, we have an Arctic Alpine 64 Plus. It looks pretty good. It's a pretty beefy cooler. We have two Arctic F12 fans. They should be pretty quiet. We have a WD Blue 1TB, an AeroCool Integrator 500 watt, and to tie everything together inside the case, we have a white LED strip, and for the case itself, we have the GameMax Falcon. Now this build should be pretty good. It should play games decently. Not the most powerful CPU, but when it comes to budget builds, I don't really think you can go wrong in Ireland anyway for the prices that we pay with an Athlon. At least an Athlon around the 860K, 880K, 845. I don't think you can really go wrong with it. Now, I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but this box seems really big for an Athlon. I feel like normal Athlons are end about there, so I'm not sure what's up with that. I'll have to see when I open it. But let's get on with it. Let's get on with it, shall we? Now, before I get into the time-lapse build of this, I'm going to just mention that I forgot. We also have 8GB of HyperX Fury DDR3. It's white as well, so it'll match the build. But other than that, that's basically it for introducing the parts. Let's get into the build.